This extraordinary hilltop estate offers amazing sunset views from this sprawling property across an impressive 5 acres. It's a majestic setting near fantastic parks and city amenities, a quiet retreat brilliantly designed for luxury living. From the dramatic entry, prepare to be captivated by the remarkable interior, featuring walls of windows, vaulted ceilings, and a floor-to-ceiling rock fireplace. Indulge in the forever territorial city and sunset views from your expansive deck. The kitchen is a chef's dream with an expansive cooktop island, granite countertops, an oversized refrigerator, and stainless steel appliances, plus a huge pantry. Double doors open to the main level office with built-ins. Relax by the propane fireplace in the main level primary bedroom suite, where you can wake up to incredible views. Enjoy heated floors, stylish vanities, and a custom shower in your remodeled ensuite bathroom, plus a large walk-in closet. This home of nearly 5,000 square feet has a second bedroom on this main level, a full guest bath, and laundry rooms on both levels. The lower level has the potential to be an ADU with a separate entrance, kitchenette, a second laundry room, and a full bath. Gather with friends and family in the home theater for memorable movie nights. You'll find a generously sized third and fourth bedroom on this lower level and ample storage space throughout. Savor the infinite, ever-changing views while experiencing unparalleled relaxation. This home also offers an impressive 6-car garage with 1,800 square feet of space for all of your storage and hobby needs. Experience luxurious living at its finest. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.